How to make booklet in Google Docs. So if you want to make booklet in Google Docs, then first you need to just open up your Google Docs and then go with a blank document or an existing document. After that, go with file, which is on the top left. Go with page setup, which is right here. Once you go with page setup, you'll have this kind of interface. And here you need to go with the top and go with 0.5. And here on the bottom, you need to go with 0.5. And on the left, it's the same, zero point 0.5, and on the right again the same, and go with OK. After that, you need to go with format and then go with columns. Under columns, you need to go with more options, and the number of columns should be 2 and the space will be 0.5, and make sure the line between columns is ticked on, and then go with apply. And after that, you need to just go with insert and go with a break and go with a column break. After going with the column break, you will have two columns and you'll be able to write on both sides. That's how you can make a booklet in Google Docs. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.